So, what is affiliate marketing? And why are so many people finally just now becoming interested in it? Well, affiliate marketing is basically when an already known company with already proven products opens up an opportunity for any individual that's legal, of course, that's legal citizen, of course, to be able to promote their products. And in exchange, if they make a sale, they're willing to give them a percentage of that sale, known as a commission. So, for example, if Walmart says, hey, if you help us promote some of our products online, we'll pay you, a 4% commission on certain products that you sell. And if you don't sell any products, well, no harm, no foul. There's nothing going to be taken away from you, and there's nothing going to be taken away from them neither. So you see, it's a win-win for both parties. It's a win-win for the major company because they don't have to spend as much money on marketing and big-time multi-million-dollar advertising campaigns as they normally would, because now they have you, the independent affiliate, who just go out and do your own marketing. And again, if you don't get any sales, well, it doesn't hurt the major companies such as Walmart. And in case you didn't know, Walmart, Best Buy, Target, even Apple, all kinds of major brands have affiliate programs. A lot of people didn't know that at first, and some are starting to realize that. And if you go to easymoneyschool.com/deeper, we'll go deeper into that aspect. So you'll see some of the other companies that have multi-million dollar affiliate marketing departments. Even the New York Times has a affiliate marketing branch of their service where they make millions of dollars, and basically all they're doing is promoting affiliate products. In fact, the next time you go to a major site or most of these websites and you see them recommending different products, you'll notice there's like a long stringy link that leads to that product page. That's an affiliate link most of the time. So what's happening is they're recommending a product, and if you click through that link and buy that product, that website administration is going to earn a sale, some type of commission. This is affiliate marketing, and it's always been going on. Now, a lot of people were reluctant at first because affiliate marketing somehow got associated with multi-level marketing and network marketing type of things, where basically all you're doing is selling recruitment. In other words, they may have a product like some super weight loss product, but instead of focusing on selling that weight loss product, the focus is more on recruiting as many people into the thing, and you get paid off the recruitment. This is actually illegal. So you don't want to get involved so much into that aspect where you're only getting paid just to recruit people into some organization. When it's only a matter of you just getting paid to recruit people and there's no product or real service involved, then, well, that's a little shaky area, that's shaky grounds, and you might not want to be with that. But affiliate marketing itself is very legal and has always been going on. You selling anything from bubble gum to hats to kitchen appliances to lawnmowers to cars to houses to affiliate marketing is just so big. You don't need a license. You don't need any type of special degrees or anything to do affiliate marketing. You can just be a normal Joe or a normal Jill and go and grab your link from the company. And that's another thing. Most of the time in traditional affiliate marketing, it's a free to join thing. So when you come across a bunch of other online business opportunities, well, some of them will require you to pay to promote their particular product and service. Now, that in and of itself is not illegal. However, I just want you to be aware of that most affiliate programs are free to join, except for some. And it depends on the particular service and that product owner on how they want to go about it. Some see it as a thing of, well, I wouldn't want anybody promoting my service unless they themselves have actually used the service, because how could you recommend something that you haven't used yourself, right? That's, they're angling on that. And as I say, depending on the service, especially if it's a specialized service. But then there's another argument to that that says, well, look, the owner of Walmart, does he really use everything that's in Walmart? But he's selling all kinds of things in the Walmart store, right? So see, it's that type of thing. You don't necessarily absolutely have to be a user of a product to promote it. You can just do enough research and you know what's right, you know what's wrong, you know what's legit, you know what's not. And hey, you just promote. But I just want to let you know that you should promote at your own discretion. Do your homework as with anything else. Now, there are many niches available, industries available, as I explained just a few minutes ago. And there's also the niche of affiliate marketing itself. I mean, affiliate marketing by promoting affiliate marketing products and affiliate marketing services. In other words, products and services that help and assist fellow affiliate marketers. You see what I'm saying? So there's this industry too, and oftentimes you run into products like that and business opportunities like that where you're promoting things within the affiliate marketing arena itself. And there's nothing wrong with that either. I just want you to know that the main thing with promoting within the affiliate marketing niche itself, as well as most of the other industries, but specifically with the affiliate marketing and internet marketing niche, is you gotta build an audience of people who are interested in those particular types of products and services. And by building an audience, we mean either social media following. Not everybody's the greatest at building up millions of fans, right? Or millions of subscribers. Or you can do what we call build a list. Well, what list? We're talking about building an email list. How many times have you come across a website where there's this little form with a headline that says, hey, if you want to learn such and such, if you want to discover such and such, then just put in your name and email and hit the subscribe button and we'll send it to you via email. Well, what those particular people are doing is they're building their list. They're getting you into their email funnel so that they can communicate you frequently over a period of time. They may send you 30 email messages. They may send you 40. They may send you 365 email messages set up throughout intervals of days, of course, not all at once, or you're going to hit that spam button fast, right? So that's how you do it. It's a strategic tactic. It's called building your list. And I want you to know, especially for those who are within the affiliate marketing niche itself, we have something special here with a company that allows you to build your list, and they provide the emails that are going to go out to that list. So they'll give you the capture pages you choose from, and they'll give you the email messages that will go out as people start subscribing onto your form. They'll even give you the web page. Don't worry, you don't have to build a web page. They're going to give you a special affiliate link. It's coded to you and you only. And when you advertise that link in various places, and don't worry, I have all kinds of website traffic and advertising avenues that you can use online to put out your links. When people come in and subscribe, they'll be getting messages directly from you and you only. And if they purchase anything through the funnel, because there are going to be recommendations here, right? And whenever they purchase something, you're going to earn an affiliate commission. And in this case, the affiliate commission will be paid to you instantly, which means as soon as that prospect becomes a customer and pays for the product or service being recommended, You get paid immediately at that moment of sale. You won't be waiting weeks or months to get your spendable cash. You'll have spendable cash as soon as that person pays for the sale. It's amazing how it works. Now, you can always go to easymoneyschool.com/go viral and start this process of earning these instant commissions. And you can earn up to $100 instantly, as many multiple times per day as the sales come in. And that's all dependent on you, the affiliate, and how well you're advertised. And I have all the advertising places for you. So why don't you go ahead on over to easymoneyschool.com/go viral. Start building your list and those instant commissions now. My name is William Caleb Rogers, and I thank you for watching this video. Please hit the like and subscribe. I got many more trainings and expert professional recommendations that is not going to waste your time. Once again, that website link is easymoneyschool.com/go viral. Peace and light. Everything's going to be all right.